Ever since I picked this thing up, you guys have been telling me to do an EM1, I think it's called, front end swap. I'm just gonna say no. Do you know what that is?
No.
That's an EM1, technically. That's a 99. Like, does that not look basically the same?
I feel like it literally looks the exact same. And like, to be honest, if you put a front lip on this, it would look just as good. Honda guys are gonna hate us.
I know, the Honda guys are gonna freak out.
They're gonna be like, yeah,
I just feel like for the headlights to just be a little bit squintier, it's not really worth the fenders and the lights and the bumper. It's a little too late for that anyways. So when we detailed this car up, you guys saw that I actually brought these headlights back to life. But I just did that because I wanted to test out my skills. And also, it looks good. Like, I'm not gonna detail the whole car and then leave these out. And sooner than I expected, dude. Like, how eBay is this box? Tell me how eBay this box is.
It's a double box.
That's what I'm saying. It's a box flipped upside down on another box. Like, this is eBay 101 right here.
Oh yeah.
For eBay 101, there's some nice boxes inside the shit box. These say the wrong year on them. They say the EM1 year on them. They were sold as the 98 because there's a difference.
That's eBay special.
That's the eBay special. Order one thing, get another. Change the whole tone. Yeah, I actually really like the EM1 front end. We're doing the swap. We got the lights today. Oh, it's just the tail lights.
Okay, that's probably what works.
We're cool, we're cool.
That probably
okay, well, we can start with this.
I don't think the taillights are any different.
These taillights are booty. Come look at this. There's like confetti in here. Like, what the fuck is that? Do you see that?
Yeah.
There's literally confetti inside this light. I don't know how that should happen. The JDM version of this car doesn't have the yellow turn signals, so I call these
fresh.
These are pretty nice, eh? For an eBay special.
That's a nice eBay special.
That's not bad.
I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty tight.
So that's what we're changing up. It freshens up a little bit, and something about these ones, something must have been on fire here because that's like black and there's confetti in it. So that's the rears, freshen up the back, and for the front. What the fuck, dude? They're supposed to be black. The whole housing is supposed to be black.
Check the other one.
Dude, what the fuck?
At least they're the same.
They're minty, like they're nice and clean for eBay.
No, they are.
Chrome and the housing's a little different, whereas this one, it's all the same.
Oh yeah, that's probably a little smoke. Or just like a different grade of plastic. Wow, as if.
Do you want to see what the ad says?
As if, yeah, I do. I think everybody else wants to also.
That's black. Like, they can't tell me that's not black, right?
Yep.
I'm pretty colorblind. Like, I thought, oh, that would look mint, the whole thing. Like, it'd be black, it would match the car.
Yo, that's sick. That's a whole kit?
Yeah, I bought the headlight taillight kit. It was sick until they were gone now. So, like, that is the OEM one, and then drop that one in front. Yeah, it weirdly looks way darker from over here. They look nicer, no matter what. These have been brought back to life, and they're still kind of fadey in spots.
Yeah, you can see they're a little hazy.
Yeah, and
I feel like you can only see that though because we're looking, like have this next to that. Because like when I got here, these look so much nicer until we pulled this out of the box.
I don't know. Okay, let's do it. We got our tools. I'm pretty sure all you need is a 10 and an 8. We got the bumper off. Lights are like, they should be easy. They should be stupid. For some reason, Chris thinks if he does the driver's side, he can do it faster than me if I do the passenger side.
No, it's only because I thought we had to do it with the bumper on at first, and I was like, oh, I can move this thing out my way.
Oh, you put a timer out? I'm just gonna whoop your ass. That's just the way it's gonna be.
And we'll see.
1, 2, 3. It's a long screw.
That sounded so harsh.
Mine broke. I think it's a light out. How do you even work this thing? What the fuck? Where's the other headlight? I'll beat your ass. Thank you very much.
There's no way. Get your little tiny Robbie fingers out of here.
There we go. Dude, the confetti's coming out of mine. Look it. I still don't know what it is. It's just little metal flakes.
Yo, it's not fair, man. I got the driver's side. It's rusty.
Oh, wait. I thought that was your side. I know that one came out of here, which it doesn't fit back into.
Look at this, yo.
Dude, use that blinker fluid! Come on!
Put a fish in there.
We have time to do the luxury of a test.
No!
Okay, now time. How did he get his in with the flap? Yo, I had to take my flap off. Where'd it go? Right here.
Oh, no, that's, what? You took your flap out?
Yeah.
That should be disqualified, man. That's not a full swap. Oh.
No, it wouldn't go in.
What is that?
Mine came, first of all, broken on one of these tabs, and it was like gapped up here funny, and I couldn't get it to go in. Every time I pushed it to go in, this would bend up, but literally it was gonna break, so I just left it off. I landed at 15:26, which is actually a longer time I thought it would take to get headlights.
It was headlights and taillights.
Headlights and taillights. I didn't think it would take me 15 minutes.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. I hit 15:26 and Chris came in 48 seconds later. You had me hitting lap, so I don't know what his time was. Chris came in 48.92 seconds later. That's what you get for talking shit. Okay, buddy, you ready for the the hatch test? Oh, okay.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad. You can still see gray, kind of. Barely.
Paint that trim or wrap it black or something.
Yeah, the behind the little gray trim back there, yeah.
I don't know why they would do that to begin with anyway.
I don't know. It's
any,
eBay,
any
dude.
car, yeah, true.
It's the cheapest, it's probably the cheapest plastic they could get.
True.
And it's just gray, and they don't care. Paint this little trim piece black all in there. Nothing you guys would ever see, but stuff that we see in person. No, dude, that's good. That's just like a simple little touch. I like it. Just cleans it up. You don't notice how like dark and custy the OEM ones are until you get them out. Candy canes in the rear. Look good. As far as the headlights go, dude, they actually fit pretty good. Like that's like a nice. Damn. The rear ones are a lot more obvious that we replaced them. They just like, they're a completely different look. And the front ones are weird. They're almost like smoked, but in a nice way where there's still the chrome in the center. So like these ones, the whole thing is chrome. Everything about this is chrome. These ones, only this like, this part in the middle here is chrome. The rest is kind of smoked. I think where you really notice it is in that turn signal. Like, I don't know how much you guys will notice outside right now in the sunlight, but when you stand back and look at it, you can obviously tell that that headlight is like darker than an OEM one would be. Not by a lot. It's a hard sales pitch. It's a little weird, eh? I was kind of hoping for like some more darkness.
A more aggressive change.
Yeah. Now that they're in, this one 100% you can see how dark it is now that it's in with all the black.
It's a like mild change.
Yeah, mild for the front and even the rear. Even the rear is like pretty mild for the rear. It's just that clear section, and this whole bottom section is like brand new now, whereas before it was like super dark and burnt out and gross. Still definitely an upgrade. It wasn't necessarily as aggressive as upgrade as we were going for, but like I'm not mad about it. If I would have bought these originally, it would have been a total waste of money unless mine were like completely pooched or something was wrong with them. But at the end of the day, I still kind of do like the way this looks now. I'm happy with it. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Definitely an upgrade.
You're just a little butthurt because you're you know 48 seconds slower at putting in head and tail lights. All right, so we did the head and the tail lights. That was definitely the eBay special. And these bad boys cost for all four $205, dude. That's like 50 bucks a light. For 50 bucks a light, dude, like you can't have any complaints about how these things fit or how these things look. Like,
especially for like some guy just getting into the car scene.
Yeah.
Or kid or girl or whatever.